Let's evaluate the integral of tangent cubed of x. And before that, we're going to need to know what the integral of tangent of x looks like. In an earlier video in Calculus 1 section, this is solved, but we can go ahead and do it from the beginning right here. The integral of tangent is the same as the integral, of course, of sine over cosine. So this is done by regular u substitution. We'll define u to be the denominator. Cosine of x du equals minus sine x dx. And so minus du is going to replace sine x dx. If you look at the integral, we have sine x dx. That's now minus du. The denominator is u. So this is the integral minus 1 over u du. That, of course, is minus natural log of absolute value of u. We can send the minus inside. That's natural log of absolute value of u to the minus 1 power, which is the same as natural log of absolute value of 1 divided by u. Now we replace our u with what it's equal to, which is cosine. So natural log of 1 over cosine of x. And that is natural log of absolute value of secant of x. So the integral of tangent of x is equal to natural log of absolute value of secant of x plus c. And now let's return to the integral that we are trying to solve, that is the integral of tangent cubed. We're going to rewrite it as tan of x times tangent squared of x. It's the same thing as tangent cubed. And then recall trig identity. Tangent squared of x plus 1 equals to secant squared of x. We can solve this for tangent squared. So tangent squared of x equals to secant squared of x minus 1. And replace it here. Our integral becomes tan of x times secant squared of x minus 1. So we really have two integrals. The first integral is tan x secant squared x, and minus the integral of tan of x. Let me write this once again. We have the integral of tangent cubed equals to integral of tangent x times secant squared x minus the integral of tangent x. Let's look at the second integral, or the integral of the first integral on the right. We'll use substitution here. We're going to let u equal to tangent of x this time. Du then is secant squared x dx. So the integral of tan x times secant squared x is just the integral of u du, which is 1/2 u squared, and that's 1/2 times tangent squared of x. So now we return to our integral that we wanted to solve, tangent cubed, the integral of tangent cubed. It was the integral of tangent x times secant squared x minus the integral of tangent x. Now we know both integrals on the right, they're equal to, this integral here is 1/2 tan squared of x minus the integral of tangent x, which we just reviewed. It's natural log of absolute value of secant x, and then we can add c at the end. So once again, writing this out, the integral of tan cubed is equal to 1/2 tan squared of x minus the natural log of absolute value secant x plus c. For more videos, visit www.mathprepvideos.com.